checkpoint right here, and I don't know what those barrels are. This antenna, the Duga antenna, in the town here the town was called Chernobyl too. And as you can see, this was the checkpoint for vehicles over here, and this is for people. The people would come in, present their documents. Of course, it had to be secret. The people coming in here did not exist in the normal society, in the Soviet Union. They had to pass in through that door, coming in this way, present their documents, and then come in through the turnaround and into the plant, into this place. Right here, immediately you see the Duga antenna, and the project started in 1979, I was told, and it was finished in 1985, just 1 year before the disaster of Chernobyl 1, and it cost many millions of rubles. Now, the antenna took the power, half the power of Chernobyl. So you can imagine all the power this thing used. So this is the Duga antenna, and it is 700 meters long. You can translate that into feet, because I'm not gonna do it. I understand how many meters are 700, and that's enough for me. So there's the plant, there's the antenna, the massive antenna. Unbelievable. He just operated 1 year, and the whole thing went tits up, literally. And now it's at Disneyland. So let's see how many years how many years it takes them to get their money back. This is where how you should live in this basically you have your machines, you get a right size, you already actually need it. So that's it. My turn. I gotta make it. And the light.